Hello everyone. Today is January 15th and I made a little short video on yesterday stating that I was going to unbox my vibration plate and try it out. So hopefully everything goes well. And it works okay. I hope you guys are doing okay today. Today is hump day. We are halfway through the week. The vibration plate is from Lifepro. I gifted myself this. To see how I like it. I've heard a lot of good things about it. So we are gonna try it out. Big. Comes with this different exercises that you can do: warm up, lower body, upper body, core, and also massage. That's great. It out. Oh, it has jogging, walking. It actually has different little, if I can turn the camera around. Sorry guys, I'm trying to see how to turn this around. I'll turn it around with my tripod, but try to. Not sure if you guys could see that it has running, jogging, walking, and jogging on the plate itself. Bear with me. I'm new to this recording and videoing, but we're gonna get through it together, guys. Oh, and it comes with a rope. Oh, they gave me bands. I have some of these, but it comes with resistant bands as well. That's nice that they give you resistant bands. have to get this plugged in so I can try it out. I should have been better prepared for this. I'm not prepared, y'all. Let me move you guys over here. Maybe that will be better. So you're able to see. Let's start plugging in. And it does come with the remote. Hopefully I have some batteries for this. This is the remote. And the power switch is here. Which I just turned the power on. If you can see, the lights are red now. And it doesn't have batteries in it. And I don't even have any. I think this is AAA. I may have to take some out of my remote. So let me grab the batteries out of my TV remote here to see if I could at least try it out while I'm on here. This is really real life and next time I don't think I want to do an unboxing. I think I want to have